Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now this case looked pretty interesting on Amazon, had good reviews. I wanted to check it out. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, as I mentioned, you can get this from Amazon. It's the PUROOM Galaxy S21 Ultra case, classic carbon fiber leather hybrid case, shockproof protection. Here's what it looks like right there. Got a red stripe, carbon fiber, a little leather, simulated leather on it. For the 21 Ultra, you can get them in different colors: red, blue, yellow. This is $7.99. All right, that's what the cost is. So pretty inexpensive, but we're gonna check it out and see what it's like and see what kind of protection it offers as well. Okay, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the case right here. Pretty simple package. And normally when you see this package with a lot of the inexpensive cases, pretty similar. Let's pull this out. It's got a little foam inside. Let's put this to the side right here. Now here's the case. Got the carbon fiber right there. Got the red stripe going through there. And this PU leather right here. Matte sides, fairly thin. Kind of hard polycarbonate back. The camera area, it's got a little raised rim around there, so that should protect the camera. The lip, it's got a little raised area for the lip. We'll see how far that comes up over the lip right there. But it's a fairly thin case though, all right? You know, you got your cutouts for your charging port and your mic and your speaker right there, and your mic buttons up top, your mic holes up top, and you got your buttons over the side, right? No other, you got a little lanyard open right there as well. I don't see any other branding on here, okay? But let's go ahead and get the device, put it inside, and see how it looks. Okay, here's the Galaxy S21 Ultra right here. Let's go ahead and put it inside the case. Decent fit. It's not the tightest I've felt, but it's snug. As you can see, now this looks like it's flush, but it is raised up a little bit over the camera, so you're gonna have a little bit of protection there. It's pretty close though. So you gotta be aware of that. Now this front lip got a little bit of raised area there, not a whole lot, but I mean, it's not a bad case. Got good grip, so you know it feels good in the hand. You know, it's thin, not bulky, so you're not gonna have that. But it looks good too. All right, it's a nice looking case. All right. Now the holes on the bottom, you see you got enough space for the mic and the charging port right there. You got your speaker grill right there, and these holes line up as well. You can see that, right? So they all line up. So you know, I think the case is decent. $7.99, you can't really beat that. But it's a good looking case. Something if you want to, you know, have a little fashion when you're out and about, you can change up and put this on, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, we got the wireless charger right here. Let's put it on. Comes on no problem there. This is pretty cool. Stand it up. Okay, wireless charge picked up there as well. Let's go ahead and lay it down and see what happens. So they pick up wireless charge there as well. So wireless charge works. I didn't think it was gonna have any problem. Pretty thin case. Normally those work pretty well. All right. Okay, so that was a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Pretty thin case. Minimal protection. You still want to be careful with this one, but it looks good. It's a nice looking case. Feels good in the hand, and you know, it's got the carbon fiber and the PU leather and the stripe on the back. Gives it a unique look. I think it's pretty cool. All right. Now I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. And if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.